new AutoElite Tracker. Many of you have seen the AutoElite Tracker before, and this is brand new. It should be in the cloud office. If it's not, it's going to be very, very soon. So this is how we're going to track customers. We're talking about customer service, customer retention, guys. So incredibly important. Keep in mind, we are the customer service. When you bring a new customer into this business, you are responsible for being the customer service for that person. So even if you are not a 40K and not AutoElite, your mindset needs to be, I'm earning that AutoElite, an additional bonus every single month for keeping people on Thrive. So my suggestion is to climb into your back office, click on My Team, My Customers, Next Autoship. Next Autoship will then populate when your Autoships are in groups. So you go to April 5th, April 10th, April 15th, and start writing in. I do this at the end of the month, before the next month, obviously. And so you're going to put them into each category so you have an idea of what's coming. You should be checking in with your 5th Autoshippers on the 2nd and 3rd. Start 2 to 3 days before each Autoship. You should be checking in. And guys, side note. If you're sitting in that seat right now and you're thinking, I don't want to check in with my Autoship customers because what if they cancel their Autoship? Stop that mindset right now and go to abundance. Think about abundance. Think about that. When I check in with them, they're going to tell me 2 people that they want to thrive with them. They're going to add a plus line product to their Autoship. Go into those conversations with abundance, thinking about abundance. So that's the AutoElite Tracker. Start filling that out. It's pretty self-explanatory and should be in our cloud office, if not today, very, very, very soon.